This is Sean with Gate City Foundation Drainage. I'm out here today in Wilmington, and I'm out here to just put these grates back together. So a couple of them are missing. This is the NDS Pro channel. So I'm going to try to get these things back in place for them today. I don't normally do work in Wilmington. This is about 4 hours from my house. But these guys called me up, and I just happened to be in town while I was on a scuba diving trip, and so I was able to zip over there and look at it and get this done for them. But normally I don't work this far. I don't work anywhere near this far out of town. The channel drain in this situation is damaged, and you can see right there where it's kind of coming off the side of the concrete that it was poured in. And so to fix this correctly, you really needed to cut this out of here and install a new piece of channel drain, pour some new concrete. And I gave them a quote for doing that, but they wanted to just piece it back together and put some grates on there. And so I tried to modify a couple of these connectors to get them to fit in there, and pretty much got it back together for them as best I could. And so that's what they were looking for with this job. So that's that. Alright. Really, to fix this correctly, you'd have to cut this concrete out and reset this channel drain, but they didn't want to do that, so they wanted me to just piece it back together. So there it is. Take a look at my bilge pump here. It is getting worked. And I don't notice it until long after that happens, but boom, there it went. Gone. I can't catch a wave today. Oh, my bilge pump's gone. Oh, my bilge pump's gone. It's been a while since I've been in this kayak, so obviously I'm having a lot of trouble keeping my balance and staying upright. And at this point, I was starting to get really, really tired. And so that's why I'm just getting knocked over like this. So I think it's about time to head on back. By that big resort, that is Shell Island right there. Shell Island Resort. I'm parked right next to it, so I'm gonna start making my way back over there. Alright, there's Shell Island and the parking deck to the left, and then there's a little sliver of sand to the left of that. That's where my van is parked at the public access. So I guess I'm going to try to head in. I'm back out here. It's the next morning. I'm going to try again for these waves. See how we do. It's about 8 a.m. on a Friday morning. Looks like I'm at the beach to myself. All the surfers are coming in already. There was a thunderstorm coming in offshore, and I was trying to get out there and get a couple minutes of surfing in before it got too close. So you can see off in the distance there's a little bit of lightning and thunder, but it was quite a few miles away at that point. That was fun. Just a few minutes later, the storm finally reached me and it started raining. And so I started heading back, and the rain started getting harder and harder. So I started getting kind of wet out here with this rain, so I decided to head back. That's where I'm trying to land. I'm definitely pretty rusty on my surfing skills, but I still had a fun time out here on these 2 days surfing. And since it's raining, I guess I'm going to go check on that channel drain and see how it's doing before I head on back to Greensboro. Alright, I'm back over here to check on this channel drain that I fixed. Looks like the water's skipping right across it.